Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, I would like to allow myself to introduce myself first. My name is Reni Suwandi Adepuspita from S1 Accounting Class B 2019. On this occasion, I will present the result of the Fieldwork Practice Report at the operational section of PT Jamkrindo Regional Office 3 Jakarta. This report and video presentation aim to fulfill the assessment requirement for the field work practice course. Next, we will go into the discussion point which consists of Chapter 1, namely Preliminary, Chapter 2, General Overview of Place and Literature Review, Chapter 3, Implementation of Field Work Practice, Chapter 4, Conclusion. Okay, let's start with the discussion of Chapter 1. Chapter 1, Preliminary. Background. UMKM have an important role and contribution to the Indonesian economy, namely being able to provide employment, which will certainly reduce the level of unemployment in Indonesia and be able to grow into a sustainable business on a larger scale. About this UMKMK, the People's Business Credit or KUR program is also one of the government program in increasing access to financing for UMKMK, which is channeled through financial institutions with a guaranteed pattern. The KUR Business Credit Program is intended to strengthen business capital capabilities in the context of implementing policies to accelerate the development of the real sector and empower UMKMK. One government-owned company that provides credit guarantees of financing to entrepreneurs of or UMKMK is PT Jamkrindo. While studying at the FAUNJ S1 Accounting Study Program, the practitioner was provided with theoretical knowledge, namely one of the subjects was introduced to accounting. However, in this lecture, there is limited time in actual practice. Therefore, FAUNJ requires final year students to carry out one of their course, namely field work practice. This is also necessary because students will later face the real world of work. On this occasion, the practitioner had the opportunity to carry out field work practice activities at one of the state-owned companies, namely the operational section of PT Jamkrindo Regional Office 3 Jakarta. The operational process is quite complex, which includes the field of finance, accounting, and general affairs as well human resource or HR, which have been synchronized through a database of memorandum and company application. Purpose PKL. Point 1. Fulfill the obligation to pass one of the 7 semester course, namely the PKL course, which is one of the requirements for obtaining a bachelor degree at the FAUNJ. Add skill, knowledge, and experience in the world of work in a professional, systematic, and directed manner. Train practitioner to solve problems and find solutions with the self-confidence and practical responsibility, and practicing accounting knowledge, especially in the introductory part of accounting that is more in-depth by actual work. Practice how to recapitulate branch office tax report in Region 3 Jakarta. Practice how to recapitulate the financial statement of branch office in Region 3 Jakarta. Practicing how to input general journal for transaction through cash and banks. Practice how to make internal and external memorandum on the basis of journal list. providing opportunities to hone the ability to work together as a team and be able to understand the difference in character in the world of work. Practitioners get an overview of the world of work of final year students and add information if they want to continue working at PT Guarantee Kredit Indonesia or PT Jamrindo. Benefit Benefit for practice for FEWJ for PT Jamrindo. For practice, this is 3 point. For FEWJ, 3 point. And for PT Jamrindo, 3 point in this screen. Place of execution. The practitioner carries out fieldwork practice activities at one of the state-owned enterprise BUMN companies engaged in credit guarantee service, namely PT Jamrindo or PT Guarantee Kredit Indonesia. Practitioners are placed in the operational section of PT Jamrindo Regional Office 3 Jakarta in the operations sections. The government profile of the place where the practitioner carries out the street vendor is Apollo, company name, agency address, telephone, email, website in the screen. Implementation process. While carrying out PKL, the internship will run for 6 months, starting from 1 September until 1 March. The practicum working hours start at with a break for 1 hour, while the rest time is for Fridays, blah blah blah. In carrying out this activity, the practitioner takes 3 stages, namely the preparation, implementation, and reporting stage. This is the practicum working hour starts in the screen. Stage of the implementation process that must be passed by the practitioner. 1. Preparation stage. 2. Implementation stage. 3. Reporting stage. In point 1, preparation stage, the practitioner seeks information about the Certified Student Internship Program PMMB PT Jamrindo to Instagram UNJ Career Center. The practitioner receives information on an interview schedule via email from the HR division of PT Jamrindo. The practitioner receives information of PT Jamrindo PMMB program acceptance through the campus and Instagram UNJ Career Center. In point 2, implementation stage, practitioner get information to start implementing the PT Jamrindo PMMB program on September until March. Practitioners are placed in the operational section of PT Jamrindo Regional Office di Jakarta by Work-in Office or WIO for 6 months from 1 September until 1 March. In the point 3, reporting stage, practitioners start compiling street vendors report when they are still implementing street vendors. In compiling this report, the practitioner was guided by a PKL supervisor, namely Mrs. Indah Mulyasari, and was guided by the rating provision issued by FEWJ through the FEWJ website. This report is used as one of the graduation requirements for the fieldwork practice course and to obtain a bachelor degree in the FEWJ Bachelor of Accounting Study Program. Chapter 2, General Overview of the Implementation Venue and Literature Review. History of PT Jamrindo. The government immediately took action by establishing the Cooperative Credit Guarantee Institution or LJKK. Over time, the Cooperative Credit Guarantee Institution LJKK changed its name to the Public Corporation for Cooperative Financial Development Perum PKK, while at the same time changing the name of the Perum PKK to a public company, Perum Business Development Facility or SPU. Subsequently, in May, through Government Regulation Number May, public company Perum Facility for Business Development again changed its name to Public Company Perum Indonesian Credit Berhenti or Perum Jamrindo. During the era of the leadership of the President of the Republic of Indonesia Joko Widodo, he officially changed the legal entity of the Indonesian Credit Guarantee Public Company or Perum Jamrindo to become a limited liability company through as PT Jamrindo Persero. PT Bahana Pembinaan Usaha Indonesia changed its legal status to PT Jamrindo and officially became a subsidiary of the Insurance and Guarantee Holding Company. This is profile of the PT Jamrindo. This is vision, mission, and culture of PT Jamrindo. Vision: to be the main choice of business actor in guarantee service to support the growth and equity of the national economy. Misi: improving MSME financial accessibility through the provision of innovative, competitive guarantees with professional, effective, and efficient service in a sustainable manner. Culture: trust, competent, harmonious, loyal, adaptive, and collaborative. This is organizational structure of PT Jamrindo. This is business wealth of PT Jamrindo. PT Jamrindo has the intent and purpose of carrying out guarantee business activities for UMKM, including individual credit guarantee activities, consulting service, and management service for UMKM. The role of PT Jamrindo or Perum Jamrindo as guarantor for credit is carried out by paying a number of obligations of the guaranteed or the debtor to the beneficiary of the collateral or the credit condition in a bad condition loan default. This is chapter 3, namely implementation, field work practice. Implementation process. Practicing carrying out street vendor activities at PT Indonesian Credit Guarantee Regional Office di Jakarta for 6 months. While carrying out these street vendor activities, the practitioner is placed in the operational section headed by Mr. Wari Nugroho, who has responsibility for the operations of the Jakarta Region 3 office. The Regional Office 3 has further branches, namely the Jakarta branch of Jamrindo, the Serang, Pontianak, Tangerang. The Operations Section is responsible for all fund management and report related to activities, financial transactions, and taxations, as well as general activities and HRM activities at PT Jamrindo Regional Office 3, Jakarta. This is file of work performed by the practitioner. 1. Inputting general journal for payment through bank and cash transaction. This is an example of payment via bank transaction. Invoice for ordering flowers to be sent to PT Bank BRI as a form of birthday greeting from PT Jamrindo Regional Office 3 Jakarta. Their steps are as follows. Step 1, Step 2. Step 1 is practitioner get proof of transaction, memorandum, and billing attachment from teller to process journal entries. 2. Practice opening the Jamplindo application portal website, then clicking the accounting menu and logging in by filling in the user ID and password. Step 3. Click the transaction menu, then the sub-menu input transaction and general bookkeeping. 4. Fill in the proof of bookkeeping number with the BZC code, which means transaction using a bank, the date of proof of bookkeeping, namely the date when payment was made, and information by adjusting data with proof of transaction, namely payment of interest bill. Step 5. Click Save to save the data so the debit and credit input features can be opened. Step 6. Enter promotional expense on debit and bank checking account and credit. Step 2. Click Save, then print proof of the bookkeeping. Step 8. The accountant submit the document to the head of operation and the regional leader of to ask for verification and to sign in the bookkeeping evidence. This is example B, example of payment through cash transaction. Reimbursement of consumption costs with partners as a form of friendship between PT Jamplindo Regional Office 3 Jakarta. The steps are follows. Step 1, Step 2. Step 1. Fractioner get a NPM from the teller to process journal entries. Step 2. Practice opening the Jamplindo application portal, then clicking the accounting menu and logging in by filling the user ID and password. Step 3. Click the transaction menu, then the sub-menu input transaction and general bookkeeping. Step 4. Fill in the proof of bookkeeping number with the CZC code, which means the transaction use cash. Step 5. Click Save to save the data so that the debit and credit input features can be opened. Step 6. Common energy expense input is debit and cash in credit. Step 2. Click Save, print proof of bookkeeping to be put together with proof of transaction documents and etc. Step 8. The accountant submit the document to the head of operations and the regional leader to ask for verification and to sign the bookkeeping evidence. 2. The recapitulate taxation. 1. Recapitulate PPH monitoring reports belonging to the Region 3 Jakarta Assistant Branch Office. 2. Fractioner verify the files received via email and then input the amount of proof of payment, input the date of payment, input the date of the report, and input the number of receipt of the report in the tax monitoring report format. Step 3. If the tax monitoring report is complete and appropriate, the practitioner will send into the accountant field email to check again. 3. Recapitulate the profit and loss statement of the Jakarta Region 3 Forster Branch Office. Practitioner download the branch office profit and loss report from the accountant, which has been sent via email. Step 2. Practice processing profit and loss report belonging to the Forster branch office into the format provided by Regional Office 3 Jakarta. Step 3. Expense that exceeds the limits of the budget work plan are recorded in the budget deviation report. Step 4. If the recapitulation of the income statement is complete and appropriate, the practitioner will send it to the accountant via WhatsApp to check again. 4. make a proposal for the relocation of the Jakarta Region 3 Office Bali. The practitioner conducts a building survey in the Jakarta area with the operational section staff who are responsible for the general field. 2. Practice making proposal for building relocation according to the format of the network and service divisions. If the recapitulation of the income statement is complete and appropriate, the practitioner will send into the accountant via WhatsApp to check again. 5. Make memorandum. Practitioner are give assignment by operational section staff who are responsible for finance or failure to help create payment transaction memorandum. The practitioner takes an example to create a memorandum for submitting a driver's benefit bill for the September period. The steps are as follows. Step 1. Practice opening the Jamclean application portal website, then clicking the accounting menu and logging in by filling in the user ID and password. Step 2. Then click the SnapJam menu and log in by entering your NPP and password. Step 3. Click the dashboard menu to open the main view menu. Step 4 and Step 5. Click Create Memorandum to open the creation of the memorandum file and fill in the purpose of the memorandum and to fill the sender, memorandum, and etc. Step 6. After it has been filled in, continue by filling in the comments column with please, correct, and approve, so that the examiner of the memorandum can see that the maker of the letter asks for verification from the leadership when the memorandum was submitted. Then click Submit to process the memorandum. Step 7. The proposed memorandum is verified and approval is requested by the head of operation and regional leaders. 6. Create an external letter. Practitioners are given assignment by the operational section staff who are responsible for the general fund to help make external letter regarding requests for bids for vessel rental price to support the operational activities the Jakarta Region Office. Practice taking an example to make a request letter from a vessel price quote. The steps are follows. Step 1 and Step 2. This is practice opening Jamclean the application portal website and clicking the accounting menu and login by the filling in the user ID and password. Then click the SnapJam menu and login by entering your NPP and password. Step 3. Click the dashboard menu to open menu view. Step 4 and Step 5. Click Create External Mail and fill in the passport until attachment. Step 6, 7, and 8. Step 6 is after it has been filled in, continue by filling in the comment column with please, correct, and approve. Step 2. The external letter is verified and approval is requested by the head of operational and regional leaders. The memorandum that has been approved by the leadership is marked with external letter number already available and is found on the complete letter menu and click Finish. Step 8. Print the external letter to continue asking for signature from the head of operational and regional leader. Next, obstacles encountered. lack of understanding of the practitioner in the fact of work in the operational field. So that there are several revisions given by supervisor which is result in delay in sending the memorandum. The practitioner entered the format incorrectly because he didn't pay attention to what item had to be moved. There is miscommunication that occurs between the supervisor and the practitioner. How to overcome obstacles? The practitioner tries to take the initiative to offer work assistance to operational staff or other staff, and the practitioner asks for guidance from the supervisor to explain the flow of the accounting cycle at the Jakarta Regional Office 3. Practitioner need to be more careful in making memorandum. Practitioner need be more careful in compiling financial report. Practitioner must be able to be more communicative with department staff to minimize communication gap in theory and practice. When inputting journal for printer purchase transactions, the journal that are imputed on the debit side are general expense and other because from the start it has been budgeted for expense. However, in the lecture work, printers are input on the debit side, namely equipment. Point 2. At the time in the world of lectures, there were 5 types of financial report that were not including statement of financial positions, income statement, report on change in capital, cash flow, and notes on financial statement. However, when the practitioner recapitulates the financial statement, they only recap the income statement according to directions from the head office. Practice contribution to street vendor. Practitioner make a contribution at the street vendor place, whether it's in the form of contributing ideas during discussion and existing employees in completing work in PT Jamkrindo so that task can be completed properly and in accordance with applicable regulation. Chapter 4 Disease Conclusion. There are 3 points for conclusion. Point 1. Fieldwork practice provide new experience for practitioners in study, counting practice starting from systematic case and bank journalizing to recapitulating the actual profit and loss statement. Practitioners gain new knowledge and knowledge about how operational activities are in guarantee companies. Practitioners can learn to be more initiative, independent, responsible, work in teams, and strive for maximum work result and communicate in a structured manner in conveying information to internal or external parties. And recommendation for FEWJ and recommendation for PT Jamprindo. Recommendation for FEWJ, this is point 1. It's hoped that the FEWJ will provide proper training to students regarding the implementation of street vendors. Point 2. It is hoped that the FEWJ will continue to establish relationship with BUMN agency. Point 3. It is hoped that there will be a clear timeline regarding important dates before and after the implementation of the street vendor. Recommendation for PT Jamkrindo in point 1 is PT Jamkrindo Regional Office 3 Jakarta is expected to continue to maintain good relations and cooperate with the FEWJ. PT Jamkrindo Regional Office 3 Jakarta is expected to be able to provide socialization to the practitioner regarding point 3. PT Jamkrindo Regional Office 3 Jakarta is expected to be able to provide an understanding of the journalizing process, especially the use of accounts so that they are by the post. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.